Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about Java server pages implicit objects. So these objects are the Java objects that the JSP container makes available to the developers in each page, and the developer can call them directly without being explicitly declared. So JSP implicit objects are also called predefined variables, and first the 9 implicit objects that JSP supports. First, request. This is the HTTP servlet request object associated with the request. Then response is the HTTP servlet response object associated with the response to the client. Out is the print writer object used to send output to the client. Session is the HTTP session object associated with the request. And application is the servlet context object associated with the application context. Config is the servlet config object associated with the page. Then page context encapsulates use of server specific features like higher performance JSP writers. Then page is simply a synonym for this and is used to call the methods defined by translated servlet class. The exception object allows the exception data to be accessed by designated JSP. So the request object is an instance of Java x.servlet.http servlet request object. And each time a client requests a page, the JSP engine creates a new object to represent that request. And the request object provides methods to get the HTTP header information, including form data, cookies, and HTTP methods. The response object is an instance of the Java x.servlet.http servlet response object. So just as the server creates the request object, it also creates an object to represent the response to the client. The response object also defines the interface that deal with creating new HTTP headers. And through this object, the JSP programmer can add new cookies or date stamps, HTTP status codes, etc. So this was a brief discussion on JSP implicit objects. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.